Cubers, it's MR Cubing, and today is Utah Speedcube Speedoff 2017. Alright, today is the competition of Utah Speedcube Speedoff. I am so excited. I cannot wait. I am literally begging and begging to go. Alright, so I'm just getting ready here. I'm not bringing all my cubes this time, but I will be bringing like half of my cubes maybe. So, here's inside of the backpack. It's dark in there. Alright. Hey, shout out to my friend Ethan. He was in my Utah Cubing Futurity video. Shout out to him for letting me borrow his GTS. He's awesome. Yeah, shout out to him. Okay, put the GTS back. It's really amazing. I don't know what happened to my GTS. I probably lost it at the competition maybe. I think I might have done that, or I just traded it or sold it. No, it's sold it. There, grammar. Okay. Yes, I'm so excited for this comp. So let's do this. Alright, so I just left my house. I should be there in about a half hour. Right now, I scrambled the outer layers of the 13x13 so I can just solve it like a 3x3. It's really fun. So yeah, I will see you later. Okay guys, so my dad is just dropping us off. He's gonna go find a parking spot. We're gonna head in to the post theater of the U. Go. We are in the comp. Let's go. Okay, this is happening.
Yeah, it can't be closer than 5 feet, so if you just want to step to the other side of the table.
I'm ready.
Okay. That's good. That's good? Okay.
To each other. Okay. We are doing a shout out to each other.
Yeah.
Look at this. Subscribe to CMCube. Oh gosh.
That cool?
Hey guys, just here with Michael Boise 3. Shout out to him. Go subscribe. Yeah. Awesome. How do you solve
Exactly like a square one.
Is that MR cubing?
No.
Nice MR cubing shirt.
Hi.
Hi, my guy. Are you excited for 3x3?
Yeah.
You're gonna do awesome. Good luck, MR cubing.
Ryan Levin.
Hey, that you gave me on an apple too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm ready. Video. Go subscribe to This Is How We Big Him. Get them subscribers, because I've already got lots. Oh! I went up on him! I knew that. Aw, little adorable. Okay, but thank you all for subscribing. I want to thank everyone who subscribed. thanks for letting me grow in my channel. How I can be really happy. It's just this amount of subscribers versus a lot. I think it is a lot. So I just want to do a big thank you, huge thank you to you guys, and just getting me this far. My goal was 200, but now let's get it to 300, baby.